Today is December the 10th. And Tristan got his new walker. That Daddy bought him. He doesn't touch the floor yet, so we're going to have some problems here. So Mommy thinks that we're going to have to get you those little bouncy ones that they hang on the door frame. Okay? Is that okay? Yes? Hi! Hi! Do you like your new walker that Daddy bought you? It looks really like he's into this little... Aw, look at you. Look at you. You're so handsome. Okay, bye. Let's take a picture and send it to Grandpa.